I remember when you used to take me on a bike ride every day on the bayou. And I remember when you can do no wrong, you come home from work and I jumped in your arms when I saw you. I was so happy to see you because you love me. I overcome, yeah, and I'm so proud of what you've become, yeah. You're giving me such security. No matter what mistakes, will make you there for me. You kill my disappointments and you heal my pain. You understand my best and you protected me. You treasure every irreplaceable memory, and that's why I want my unborn son to be like my daddy. There is no one else like my daddy. I want my husband to be like my dad.